Get ready. 5 seconds to go. Start. It must be noticed straightway that while section 43 within bracket 5 of the Act envisages the filing of an appeal before the appellate tribunal against the order of the authority or the AO by any person. The explanation appended thereto clarifies that for the purpose of section 43 within bracket 5, person shall include an association of allocatees or any voluntary consumer association registered under any law for the time being in force. The proviso to section 43 of the Act applies only where the promoter intends to appeal against an order of the authority or the AO. The word promoter has been further defined under section 2 of the Act as under definitions in this Act unless the context otherwise requires. Stop. Promoter means a person who constructs or causes to be constructed an independent building or a building consisting of apartments or converts an existing building or a part thereof into apartments for the purpose of selling all or some of the apartments to other persons and includes his assignees or a person who develops land into a project whether or not the person who constructs structures of any of the plots for the purchase of selling to other persons all or some of the plots in the said project, whether with or without constructs their own or any development authority or any other public body in respect of allottees of buildings or apartments as the case may be constructed by such authority or body on lands owned by them or placed at their disposal by the government or plots owned by such authority or body or placed at their disposal by the government for the purpose of selling all or some of the apartments or plots or an apex state level cooperative housing finance society and a private cooperative housing society which constructs apartments or buildings for its members or in respect of the allottees of such apartments or buildings or any other person who acts himself as a builder, colonizer, contractor, developer, state developer, or by any other name, or claims to be acting as the holder of a power of attorney from the owner of the land on which the building or apartment is constructed or plot is developed for sale or such other person who constructs any building or apartments for sale to the general public. Stop. Explanation for the purpose of this cause where the person who constructs or converts a building into apartments or develops a plot for sale and the person who sells apartments or plots are different persons, both of them shall be deemed to be the promoters and shall be jointly liable as such for the functions and rehabilitation responsibilities specified under this act or the rules and regulations made thereunder.